Hi everyone! How are you doing today? Look who's with me today! She saw what I was going to do and she's like, Mom, please, I want to do it with you. So I was like, absolutely. This is my daughter, Sakura, who in the past has joined me in unboxings and hasn't much lately, but wanted to for the FabFitFun box. We are going to be unboxing today. So let's get right into it. We are very excited. So when my FabFitFun box came, it came in a big box, and I knew that was because I had a couple things added on to my box. Oh, first I should say, if you're not acquainted with FabFitFun, it is a quarterly lifestyle subscription box. They send you a combination of, you know, things for around the house and beauty and fitness and the things of that nature. Let's get right into this. And so what's the first thing you pulled out of the box?
A blanket, a big fluffy blanket.
You can go ahead and open it. So this is an unhide blanket, which I knew that I wanted one of these because it came in last year's winter FabFitFun box in a cream version. Here's the cream one that came in last year's FabFitFun box. Everyone has stolen this from me, even the dog, who, oh, by the way, I should say, if you hear crunching, she's back there with her bone. Please forgive her noisiness, but she's just so happy. We thought we would just leave her. But here's the cream one from last year, and they had the option for the first category of this box to have another one of these, but in like this silver color. Oh, and so the reason why this was outside the box and like in the interior of the bigger box is because I added it onto my box. So FabFitFun has the option in all these categories where you choose the item that you would like, and if quantities are available, you can add on a second item for, you know, an additional cost. So I did want something else from that first category because, you know, I did already have one of these blankets, but at the end I caved and added this on at the end. I was like, no, I guess I do need another one of these. So here it is in the packaging. This is the Unhide for Love, Not Fur, Fluffy, Furry, Friendly, Fresh Faux. No animals were harmed in the making of this faux fur blanket. Oh my goodness, you are correct. It's a tough one. Yes, it is so soft. It's such a pretty color.
Oh, look who came to visit.
Yeah, she's like, my blanket? And I'm like, no, my blanket. You can have the other one that you've already, you know, laid on, despite my best efforts to keep it to myself. All right, she's gonna lay there, I guess.
Is from, what is that?
I think it's Algenist or Algenist. It's an eye cream. So this is another category where I wanted more than one thing. And so this was an added on item for me, which is why I was outside of the box. This is one I hemmed and hawed about quite a bit because, you know, I was like, do I need an eye cream? However, this had really good reviews, and it's a, let's see, it looks like a, I usually tend to prefer a gel instead of a cream, but let's try this in the back of our hand, Cora, and see how it feels. Oh, that's nice. You can go ahead and put your finger in and get a little bit.
Ooh, that feels weird.
It's very smooth feeling and not at all like a heavy cream, which is what I wanted to avoid. So.
And it smells like exactly like normal cream.
It doesn't smell like anything, which is something that I appreciate. I don't like a lot of scented skincare. It's hard to avoid
scented.
sometimes, though.
It's scented.
Is it scented?
It's scented.
I don't smell anything.
You smell like
Maybe the very slightest scent, but it's not heavy, which I appreciate. Okay, so next we're getting to the actual box. So first, there is the FabFitFun magazine, which has, you know, information about all the stuff in the box, and they also featured Katie Couric on in this particular magazine, so that's exciting. Okay, and then on the very top, there's a ton of like promotional coupons for different brands, including like HelloFresh and things. So we'll set those to the side as well. Yeah, she spotted another fuzzy thing. You guys, this winter box.
fuzzy things.
Go ahead and rip it open, Sakura, and see what it is. This was in that first category where I couldn't decide between this and the blanket, so I had to get both. I feel like this curation was such a good winter box. Oh my goodness, she is going to town on her phone. I hope it's not bothering anyone. I'm so sorry if it's super loud.
Alright, bro.
I can't wait. I cannot wait. Okay, I gotta stand up. Okay, I tried it on. It's everything I wanted. It goes all the way down to my knee. I am 5'3". I know I'm short, so this might be a short robe on a tall individual, but look at how fuzzy and how soft it is.
I want to snuggle you forever.
I was gonna say I'm gonna leave this on for the duration of this video.
Next.
The cat's already over here checking out this other unhide blanket. I'm like, no, it's my blanket. Okay, putting it on my
Next.
lap. Okay. Oh, and those are the sticker, FabFitFun sticker in there. All ready to patati. What else?
A bar.
Oh, this was like a sponsored item. They sent a Kind bar. I got the flavor dark chocolate, nuts, and sea salt. I will definitely use it. Okay, we had to just take a moment and put the dog in her little kennel for a minute because she was just starting to chase the cat. Okay, so we have another bubble wrapped item. So this is from something from Phase Zero. This is the Making Moves blusher. This is one of the categories where FabFitFun chose what to send you, which is always nerve-wracking. I like being able to choose my stuff for the box, but I'm so happy they sent me the blush in this category. So this is the color of the blush. Shall we swatch it?
Sure.
It looks like a maybe it's a
pink.
soft, shimmery, peachy blush.
Oh.
Oh yeah, that's a pretty shade. And it doesn't look like it's full of like glitter or anything, which I dislike, but does have like a slight sheen to it. That'd be a pretty eyeshadow too as well. And it comes with a nice mirror. I'm happy about that. I wasn't really happy with some of the other options that could be sent instead, so I'm happy I got the blush. Okay, so Cora's already got the next thing.
That's fuzzy.
What is it?
It's socks.
Yes, okay, this category, same thing. I'm like, if there's fuzzy socks, you know I'm going to choose the fuzzy socks. Look at them. Oh, they're so great. So this is from the brand Mucklux, which I was so happy to see this brand. It's a nice brand. Ooh, they're nice and fuzzy on the inside. Feel them, feel them.
Oh, I love them.
Yeah, in the wintertime, I live in slipper socks like this. It's my favorite. Look at
ones.
the socks. They're so cute. Sorry for, if feet bother you, but I'm just so excited about my fuzzy socks. I'm adding to my pile of fuzzy things from this box.
It's a scrunchie.
I think it's a trio of scrunchies. So this is from another category where they chose what to send you. Once again, I'm happy they sent me the scrunchies. We'll actually use them, and they're all like animal print scrunchies. From a brand called Noir.
We have a lip scrub.
From the brand Wish. So I've tried lots of different things from the brand Wish. FabFitFun partners with them quite a bit. And look, they can be hit or miss for me. But I'm looking forward to trying it. It looks like it's in the vanilla bean flavor scent. Let's open it up and try it.
Yeah.
Okay, we're both gonna put a little bit on the back of our hand.
Oh, it's.
Well, it's scrubby because it's a lip scrub, but
I don't like it.
just to smell it. Ooh.
Ooh, that smells really good.
So I believe this lip scrub was from another category where FabFitFun chose. This is one that, I'm happy to try out. Okay, Sakura, what next?
There's a lot of things. 3.
Okay, so this is another one of my choices. This is the Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara. Mascara is a makeup item that I go through regularly. I do use it almost every day. And I don't want to open it for you because I feel like once you open a mascara, it begins the trying out process. I will save this in my little backup stash of mascaras, but I will for sure be giving you a review on this in the future. Excited to try.
Next, we have something from ACV.
DP Hue, this is the apple cider vinegar dry shampoo powder. This is another one of my choices. I like dry shampoo. In fact, my hair is full of it today. I find it very useful. I have very fine hair that easily gets oily. And this brand has a lot of good reviews. So I'm interested to try it. Instead of having, the spray type, it just has a little end on it like this that you just kind of shake into your hair. So it's probably better for the environment, right? I'm interested in trying that one.
Okay, close your eyes.
Claire wants me to close my eyes.
Okay, here it is. It's a light up mirror.
Yes, this is one of those things that I have been wanting, but have been too lazy enough to go shopping for one myself. So when could be included as part of the box, I was like, yes, sign me up. Where I get ready is pretty dark, so I'm really excited to have a light up mirror. It included batteries and a way to plug it in, so it looks like it can be used 2 different ways. Fantastic. Please don't stab yourself.
It won't. Let's try this out.
Where's the power button? Should we put in one of the batteries backwards?
Maybe.
Okay,
Okay.
let's try it now. Ha! Hoo! Oh, there you guys are. Hello. You can see all my plants. I'm so excited. Yay! I'm thrilled. Yeah, it's you.
Whoa, looks like I have like squares in my eyes.
Yeah, that's the light. Isn't that awesome? I am so thrilled, you guys. This box, I think, is one of my favorite boxes ever in terms of just the curation and the amount of items that I could choose to make it the best box it was just happifying. The only thing that was not happifying was the wait it took. I mean, it didn't actually take FabFitFun that long to send up my box. I think I waited maybe a week or a week and a half for it to ship. The thing that took a long time was the actual shipping. Usually in the past they used FedEx. This year they used other shipping partners. I think Pitney Bowes was the person shipping my box, and it took a month to get to me. So I was not pleased with that, but at least it reached me and everything was in the box and everything was not broken.
I love bubble wrap.
Sakura, what was your favorite item in the box?
The fluffy blanket.
Yeah, she's like, Mom, can I have this one? I'm like, oh, no. Everyone stole my last one. This one's for me.
I want it. It's mine now.
Decide what my favorite item in the box is. I really love the mirror. I really love the socks. And I love that blanket.
Blanket's mine.
But also my favorite thing just might be the robe. Like that will be like, and look, there even has a hood on it. Like,
what?
Yeah.
I want the hood.
Well, you can't just have the hood.
And here I go.
I forgot that this came in the box because I was so excited about everything else and I was wearing it. But yes, I love my fuzzy robe. Thank you so much for hanging out with us today. We had a lot of fun unboxing the box. I know with all the different things that come in the FabFitFun boxes, especially lately, you might have gotten a completely different box than me. Let me know down below if you get FabFitFun, and if you did, were you happy with your box curation? Did everything work? Did everything arrive yet? I know shipping, oh, it's a nightmare right now. But once again, thank you guys so much for hanging out with us today. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!